on the Brahimi Nazar, the things, and this will be very short, so just a few mulahazat, what caught my eye. The calendar and the But Shikani and the Iman. I think these are two, very, very deep things that are part of our discussion. So this breaking of the idols, I would relate to the sort of paradigm shifts. And that paradigm shift in modern science is the challenge that science itself is not perhaps as material and fixed as we would think, but even the scientists are thinking within ideal frames, their paradigms, if you will, their misal, their limited envisioning of what is true, but the scientific attitude is, or is now aware, that ultimately has to be transcended and transcended and transcended. So I was thinking, and I can't remember the exact expression, but Dr. Afridi talked about a ma'bad, and you make that construction. Like I remember postmodernism, ma'bad al-hadasa in Arabic, what is ma'bad? And then on the other side, I heard Dr. Suhail Umar speaking about waral wara. And I thought about the interesting kind of metaphysical or conceptual difference between the ma'bad, what comes after the post, and the wara, what is behind. And I thought, and somebody may even think of some apposite verses of Iqbal for this. In fact, the one was already recited, I think, about awwal or akhar, right? Awwal or akhar. Awwal or akhar is ma'bad, the trajectory of what is ma'bad, what is linear, what is going to come after. And then wara is dhahir and batin. Dhahir and batin. So the wara is the batin. So each of these metaphysics, if you will, of the real are talking about the unfoldment in time and beyond time. And in time, we should always be ready for the But Shikani, because what is in time is always ready to be shattered. Even our own ideas about what we think is real. Whereas the wara is that unspeakable potential, that infinite potential that gives hope, that is the basis of faith. So I think that is where the seas meet of science and religion, or the tensions between the faith that we can have and the moment and circumstances that we have that faith in. So we should all be humble, and perhaps that is the Mardul Mu'min, or the calendar, who knows the limits and can therefore reach the transcendence through faith. And that is my very brief observation. Thank you.